So friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we're going to talk about Cardano. Again, after we've had quite a decent bull run here towards 132. Did I already hint at that? Okay, a correction could come sooner or later. I know the correction will never come. We're shooting straight towards $2. Still, we then dropped towards 76, fallen down to US cents, just like we discussed in the end. Yeah, I also have a lucky hit and stuff like that. Sorry, I couldn't hold that back. Anyway, we had our correction now. And since then, we've also had a small recovery. This is really important. Where this correction has landed, we'll definitely take a look at that in today's update video. Also, I see possible target zones for medium term and of course also long term. Yeah, for the long term bull run as well, where we take profits. Where can we buy again? You'll definitely find out all about that in today's update video. But before we start, feel free to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and of course feel free to rejoin the free Telegram chat and Signal group. There you always get the latest information. If there's anything, and if you want to trade, buy, or do anything else with Cardano, you can do that at my partner exchange BingX. There you can also get some nice bonuses right now if you complete a few things, and of course you support the channel with that. So yes, we're currently trading Cardano at 93 cents. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we had a high at around $132. Then it dropped rapidly with two significant sell-offs down towards 76 US cents and even below the previous 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. At the same time, the monthly pivot wasn't held in the short term, but then there was a rebound. And this rebound that we've just had, this is the dangerous part of this whole movement. Basically, we've reached the target again. I'll just say it like this. That's why we can definitely disregard the movement. We entered the golden pocket up here. And that's exactly where the detail lies. We have what's called a possible dead cat bounce, which means after a correction, the price goes back into the golden pocket, is rejected there and continues the correction. And that's the dangerous part, which is why I say for everyone who hasn't added to their position at the 0.5 level yet, I mean added to their position, or rather down here between, I'll say 82 and 85 US cents, that would have been a buying zone, or at least an accumulation zone. There should be another opportunity, at least down here in the area of 73 US cents. You can see the green box down here. It's very, very big. But that also has to do with it that we have the golden pocket down here, an area that tends to be revisited quite often in, let's say, larger corrections before the overarching trend continues, that we then go down here. That would definitely be another buy zone, and it goes up to 54 US cents. Why is it so big? It simply has the aspect because we have it over here. On one hand, as I said, we have the golden pocket. Over here, there's also an inefficiency which ranges from about 60 cents to around 69 cents, so very, very large. And then the 0.786 level acts as support. You can also see this zone in two parts, but in between, there's also a monthly pivot that comes into play. So that's why this box is so big. And it should definitely count as a trend reversal in the long term. So there's a good chance that we might come down here again in the current correction or in the coming weeks. And from here, let's say, reach new heights, where the price go then. I also want to touch on that again. For me, the maximum target remains, at least for now, where one should take profits. With that, we have the golden pocket. So from our last high at $3 down to our bear market low, then that would be the high at around $2 to $2.10. That's currently my bullish scenario. You know, I'm no longer invested in Cardano, but I might actually consider getting back in down here. That would definitely be one possibility, but that's definitely my target. If we were to rise from the current position, that would still be 126%. It sounds very little to many, but still it would be another 100%, and that doesn't mean it would be the target for the long term. So be careful, it can definitely go higher. I'm just always a bit more pessimistic. If we, as I said, get down into that green box, you can see it again. On the daily time frame, you might see it a bit better because we even have the 200 SMA sliding right into this box. So everything is looking very good right now. Very good. This box for sure. A big accumulation zone for the bull run, then heading towards, yes, definitely $2. If we even hit the lower edge, then it would even be 300% that are still possible here. So not everything is doom and gloom. Feel free to share your opinion down in the comments. What do you think of the forecast or the buying zone? Write it down below. Otherwise, feel free to leave any other alt communication in the comments. And I would say, yes, we'll hear from each other in the next video. I wish you a nice day. Ciao, ciao, and as always, stay crypto.